So as you can see, KLM is now in local mode. So I am going to the fourth workspace at KLM PC03. There we open a new terminal. So I first do SSH into B2 KLM at RKLM1. Then we have to go to DAC SLC. Then
Actually, I'm not sure it is necessary. But could you
software repository.
could you first try to so you need to stop okay. You need to stop the flow control system.
okay, slow
Right.
control processes.
I'm not sure it is written in mine. It is written in yours.
So I'm stopping the slow control processes.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, that's okay.
Okay.
Yes. Then
So this is the
downloading.
manual. So I have stopped the slow control processes. Then I have to issue this command: user local bin initialize PCIe40.
Yes.
User local bin.
Sorry. I just updated the. Okay. Anyway, could you try?
Initialize.
No. What is the name of this command? PCI. Okay.
No.
Initialize.
Initialize.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. So will you download PCI40 firmware? Yes. Okay. Now it is showing this .sof file. So earlier when we used to try this command, it used to take it used to take some more time.
No, I think that bug is still.
Okay.
No.
But
Okay,
this
fine.
time it's worked. This time
Yeah,
it worked.
it worked.
Will you install driver? Okay, yes. But that bug is still there.
No. Okay, let's see. So previously there was a bug that if you don't press a key, the next prompt
Okay,
didn't used to appear.
now
But
it is
now it is
successful.
appearing.
Okay, will you program PLLs? Yes. Okay,
Yeah, so
PCF
now it is
firmware
complete.
and driver downloading and programming are finished. So, do I need to check the status of the PLLs?
Yeah,
Status of
yes.
GLL is okay. It is written.
No,
on
but
the-
if we
in the-
if we see some failure here, do we have to go to the this PLL status screen?
If you got some error message in this procedure, you need to contact the real expert, so like me or other PCI40 experts.
Okay, no, but what will you how will you proceed if we see an error at this stage?
So you need sudo privilege to kill some JTAG process.
Okay.
Yeah, that kind of it is also it will also appear when error occurs. Please kill JTAG or something. So you can try that, or you can contact PCI40.
Oh, so Yamada-san, does this B2KLM account has the permission to kill the JTAG process?
Sorry, that's a good point. No.
I don't think so. So
So anyway, you need to contact with that PCIe40 expert, so like me or Kidon-san.
Can I see the status from this controller, like CD, software, scripts?
So you like to run a PLL status command? Yeah, that's fine.
I think argument is
Zero.
0.
Okay.
Okay, so we see
Currently,
everything.
all channels are marked
Are
by
marked.
default.
Okay, so we need to restart the slow control now.
Yeah. Anyway, we
Okay,
choose slow control. Yeah. So
okay,
we
Yamada-san, I have a question. When we need to press F2, do we need to press F2?
No. So but that is the thing. You do not need to open this CLI.
Okay.
So everything is part of the initialized PCI40 script.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
you already
program the PLLs.
did program PLL
Okay.
in the initializing
If you remember the very last step,
So-
it asks you want to program PLL.
So I
Enter
should
it just
exit
there.
with Q. Now I should restart the slow control. Okay, let's check the status of the run control GUI.
So maybe another story. This is why I think experts should use the PL status. So you should always use the GUI. This you are familiar with that, because when you open the PL status, the expert should be use that one for. Otherwise, you will confuse everything. So, but this is just what I want to talk with the expert, DEQ expert. So you can proceed.
Okay, there's some appears to be some problem with our run control GUI.
You need to refresh it. I think it is just hung.
No, I'm not able to drag it to right.
Yeah. So it is just stuck for some reason. Maybe you can just close it and open it. Okay, yeah, now you can refresh.
Okay.
No, but
you already restarted slow control?
no.
Strange.
Yeah, exactly, because I expect all of them to be in the disconnected state.
Yeah, I was also expecting some links. They should show some pink links.
No. So that is the thing. The GUI is not working. So can you close the CS Studio and open it?
Restart.
Why this? I think this is also the issue yesterday with top when they mask this.
Dipto,
They need to refresh the GUI.
I'm
So you can
restarting.
Yes. Restart the CS Studio.
It's another issue. We need to.
No, not to. The other one. Yes. Yes. Now it is as expected.
Okay, but yeah.
But Bipin, can you close this console window on the right? I don't know how it went there. Yeah, just close it. Okay, fine. Okay, so now it is correct.
Okay, now I need to restart the slow control.
Restart the slow control.
Hello, can I ask a question in between?
Yes.
Yeah, so the question I think should be to Yamada-san or Harsh or Kidon. So usually when we log in the Radar PC, we'll source the set environment of the dark SLC, right? And for PCI40, we have another folder, so software script setup.shell. So I think these two things are still independent of each other for now, right?
Yes.
Okay, because I encountered some problem in this, but yeah, we should not discuss it now. Just give me a second.
Yeah, Vipin. So I don't understand why everything feels so slow. I mean,
Yes.
this restart script should show some output within like 2-3 seconds,
Right.
right?
It's not showing. Okay, now it showed.
Okay, fine. So
Let me check the status. Okay. Now I have to click abort.
by the way, all the links are red now.
Right. So
Click load.
no, I have to like
Yes, I mean, okay. I mean, since you have not changed any FE settings, so
Right.
clicking that button.
Oh, wait a minute. So you're loading now, but I think you just reprogrammed PCIe40. So the TT address minus A is done in the set front end masking or automatically?
No. We will have to do it, but
we
I
will do
think
it after this loading is done.
yes,
Okay, you need a load and a port and then set up something. Okay.
yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Then after this, we will go to TTD11 and do TT ADDR, KLM
KLM.
minus M, and reset FT KLM.
Okay, got it. Thank you.
By the way, Vipin, don't you feel that everything is working very slowly?
Oh, yes.
I mean, why?
Okay, let me click
I have
abort.
also experienced this lag, like everything
Okay,
is working very
now it
slowly
is
on
done.
top.
Now we
Yes.
can see all are green, and now we go to TTD11. So here we have to do. Yeah, command is already there.
See, all the comments are taking too long.
Hmm.
Yamada-san, do you know that now when I execute top, there's the readout software, it's eating 120% of CPU. Do you
Yes. So
seem
something like a visual pre-planning. So it is not.
Yeah, it is taking
It is expected.
reset FT KLM.
I mean, you don't need to do it because we are already in the ready state.
Right.
So,
So let's take some data. Okay, let me check the status of this PLLs.
yes.
So
So now, first 32
okay,
should
now
be okay.
all are okay. Earlier everything was crossed. Now I'll close this and take some data.
No, you need to do the squad initialization.
Right. So first reset.
Yes. Can you show that terminal window? Yes.
When we download PCIe40 firmware, it is mandatory to perform this scroll initialization, or
Yes, Yamada-san.
it is always so.
Yes. So this is same as what we used to had in the copper
Okay.
setup. So now it is complete and everything is green. Okay, I'll select what is the high voltage situation. I think it's turned off. So Poisson trigger. 5 kilohertz about. So the journal procedure that we had on our YouTube page is now different from the current procedure.
Yes. But yeah, current procedure is actually better.
Yeah, it is far better.
Okay, great. So
No,
now
FTSW is in error state.
error state. So yeah, can you go to the workspace one? No, don't stop it. Don't stop it.
Okay.
Yeah, keep it running. So what is the source of the error? That is PCI40, right?
Any
I see
error? Yes.
any error from 260.
261
Oh.
port 7. So this is PCI40.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes. For top it's 260 and for KLM it should be 261.
Could you run TT address? KLM hyphen P minus P.
Dipin.
Yes, TTADR.
Right.
Yeah.
TTTR KLM minus P grep BG.
Okay. Minus P.
P. Yeah. Then pipe. Grep.
Yeah, but from here we can see it's PCI40.
Error, not busy. ERR.
Oh yes,
Oh.
error.
Okay. You need to grep error. Yeah, right? Is it? Okay.
So it's the same information that we are seeing here.
Not the grep error, but the less. Could you see this whole error message by less command?
So less.
No.
Instead of grep error,
Okay.
you can use less. Yeah.
Here
Yeah.
less.
It seems PCI40 address seems not to be set properly. In end of this output, you can.
Yeah, I checked that the TT address of the PCI40 is not set. So I'm thinking maybe you forgot to do minus C minus A.
Oh.
Yes, correct. So, Bipin, can you execute TTTR KLM minus C? Oh, by the way, first stop the run.
Right.
Actually, this is on the PDF menu, not on the conference page.
Okay, so it's better to ask.
Shall I abort it?
Yes. So, Yamada-san.
So this is the Confluence page.
Yeah.
It's on the
masking.
PDF menu, but not on the
Could you go to masking? Yeah. Section for masking.
Okay, section for masking. Here.
Yes.
Okay.
Then on TTD11, on GUI you already did this
Yes.
procedure.
Mm-hmm.
So yes, you have to execute this one.
Which
First,
command?
the first command under this on TTD11, that thing, TTDDR,
This one.
yeah, TTDDR top minus C, then TTDDR, sorry, KLM, TTDDR KLM minus C, then
Mm-hmm.
TTDDR KLM minus A, and then minus M.
Okay.
By the way, here I have a small comment that in case of KLM, we have two scripts called prepepti but and prepepti. So those two scripts actually has the minus C and minus A command in it.
So let me use those.
No, I think instead of using those script, you better like do what is written on the conference. Then we can make sure that this information actually works.
Okay. TTADDR DB.
No need to write DB. Just write
Okay.
TTDDR
Then KLM. Then minus C.
minus
Then
C. Yes.
minus A. Minus M.
And this command needs to be executed always when we reprogram PCIe40 firmware and also when we program frontend, right?
Yes.
Okay.
No, first minus C. So C is to clear the addresses. Then
Okay.
A for assigning the address. And then M for masking.
Okay.
Okay, so let's see.
Now there is no need. Okay. Squads are already initialized, so
Yes,
we
yes,
can
yes.
take the run. So this procedure was not there when we recorded the tutorial on the general process on PCI 40 programming.
Yes.
Okay, working fine.
Yes, so when these link lost occurs again, then if you think this is a PCI40 issue, then we can just first try to downloading PCI40 firmware. Then, anyway, squad initialization will follow, so we cannot distinguish which part is wrong. I'm not sure, but if it is related to beam abort, maybe it is likely to in the detector side. But anyway, let's go back to the recovery procedure then. So when base link loss is found, then of course dark expert can do that. But anyway, if you like to save the time, you can download PCI firmware, then initialize this squad and join resume physics run.
But Yamada-san, can we have these three commands like not on the okay, they are good at the masking page, but after this, like written here, the three commands written here, rather than going to the manual on masking, can we have like this command written in a box just below bullet number 4?
If you really, yeah, it is possible, but yeah, this masking issue is under TTD system. So I put that page in TTD, not here, but not the PCI40 page, but the TTD page. But I can duplicate that description also in PCI40 page for the moment.
Okay, let me stop the run.
Because I mean, if you change the masking, say for example in case of top, then before running those three comments, you will also have to click on the save FE masking button.
Yeah. So yeah, not only three commands, but you also work on GUI, so it's not just a one line. So it's better to go to that page.
Yeah, I think we are done then.
But Bipin, can you show the conference page once?
Okay, this one.
Yeah. So, I mean, here I want to emphasize is that the step 3 is different for us. I mean, not for us, actually, for both KLM and TOP.
Uh,
So, I mean, we didn't perform this step 3.
yes, we didn't perform this script 3, right?
So, just remember it. Maybe, Yamada-san, can you like put some different color or something like that?
And it,
Yes.
okay. And why it says B to top at RKLM1?
That is wrong.
That is totally wrong. It is confusing for both top and KLM.
Sorry. Okay. So I think this chapter section 3 is bit confusing for non-expert shifters. So this is for only experts. So I can move this section to the other after masking, after section 4 or something.
Okay.
And for KLM, the extra thing we need to remember is that before doing starting initialization, we need to click the load button at least once.
Sorry. Before initialize. Okay. Yeah. So that is that should be written in KLM manual.
Yes. I will put that in KLM.